Okay, so we're gonna be playing Noob Train. Now, now I'm gonna show you something that looks really cool when you jump and you have a long line of noobs. Sorry about the background noise. I don't really know how to edit, so I'm kinda new to YouTube. I mean, like, making YouTube videos, not watching YouTube. Don't do too much because you'll get really laggy. So like I usually do like 20 noobs or something. Like not too much. And if you go to settings, you'll see noob rig type. And tap it once. And so let all your noobs load. Okay, I guess mine did already. Jump. Oh, and look how cool it looks. So let's create a straight line. Jump. Look how cool that is. Okay, let's go maybe for like 30 noobs. And then I'll show you guys. It's really cool. So are you guys ready? Look how cool that looks. And I don't know why when I jump, the noobs jump on my head. Like, look how cool that looks, guys. Let me turn down this sound real quick. Okay. Yeah, but this game is called Noob Train if you want to play it. It's really cool. So, remember, go to settings. There you'll see a noob rig type. And tap it once. And keep it that way. Then, like, maybe add 30 or 20 noobs. Whatever amount you want. And then, so you can make whatever curvy line you want. Like, or you can make a straight line, you can make zigzags if you can. And just after that, you jump. And then it looks like a wave. Yeah, but this game's really cool. So look, if I jump once, they keep jumping and it looks really cool. So watch this. So kind of like a crooked line. So if you jump, look how cool that looks. I'm gonna make a kind of like a candy cane shape. Then look how cool that looks. It looks like Earthworm Sally. Flamingo humor. Oh yeah, you should go subscribe to Flamingo. He does the best videos in the whole wide world. Or if you don't want to sub to him, you can maybe sub to me. So yeah, sorry if I'm not that good. And also I'm sorry about the background noise. Yeah, that's my cousin. I don't know if you can hear him or not, but yeah, that's my cousin if you can hear him. So, yeah. Yeah, but this game's really fun if you want to check it out. It's called Noob Train. And, like, if you want to try 100 noobs, you can, but, like, you might lag. And when you lag, like, it's hard, like, you don't really move or something like that. So, yeah. Yeah, but if you ever, so just, I hope you enjoyed, but I mean, I hope you enjoy, but yeah, but like when you start the game, they won't walk like this, and ma'am, okay, she left. Okay, so make whatever line or anything you want, and jump once, and they'll keep jumping, and it looks like a big wave. It's like coming, like a big noob wave. So remember, when you join, they'll kind of run like the noob, like they'll run not like this, but
Babe, do you need water in here?
say hi to YouTube.
Okay. I'm going to get Barry 2 waters. Does anyone else need water?
Hey buddy, give me a hug and kiss. I'm going to bed. Love you. Good. Love you.
They're on the porch.
Sorry if you heard that. That was my mom. Yeah, but this game's really cool. You should check it out. So I know I've been saying this a lot, but when you start, so go to the settings, go to the third one down, press it once, and leave it that way. Then pick however many noobs you want, jump, and it's like a noob wave, and it's really cool. So I hope you enjoy this video. Have a wonderful night or a wonderful day. I don't know, wherever you guys live on the world. Bye.